how to buy REDSTONE token. So this token came under the symbol of red. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REX accounts and keep following their updates about this token. Now, as you can see, this token is available on COINEX. It's not live yet for trading. So the way that you can buy this token, click on their website, as you can see. So after that, what you need to do, just connect your wallet from clicking on expedition. After you click on expedition, you will be able to redirect to this website. So after that, as you can see, follow this instruction to be able to participate for that token. So after that, stay tuned until this token is live, and now you can buy this token. So this is how to buy a REDSTONE token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.